of a casual crew. They're not paying to shop there. And so that irritates people that they have to pay to shop at Costco. And when you get to Costco, you walk in. Usually you walk into electronics. The TVs, the cameras, all that crap are usually right there. And then boom, you make a run for the chickens back in the back. You make a left, paper products, and then you make a run for the cash registers. But it goes in an informal, unspoken circle. It goes counterclockwise from when you get into Costco, straight back, quick left, straight forward to the cashier. It runs in a counterclockwise fashion in most Costcos. Don't swim upstream. If you're in liquor and you got to get the TVs, you go around. You keep doing the counterclockwise circle until you find out where you got to be. Don't swim upstream at me. I will hit you with my cart to let you know you're doing something wrong. And if there are more people like me, more people would follow the rules. Don't swim upstream. Follow the rules at Costco. There's too many angry people out there. All right, this guy went to his car and was going to eat his hot dog in the car before getting out of the Costco parking lot. I feel like I want a piece of this guy.
This guy's sitting in his car and says some things to me about my weight in eating a hot dog, and he wanted my parking spot and told me to hurry up, and I told him to go find another spot.
Blackburn said the driver wouldn't move. Other people started honking. And
what is that attitude all about?
I told him to go find another spot.
Go find another spot. That spot is not yours.
Lack of common courtesy.
That's exactly right.
It's common courtesy.
I'm not saying he deserved to get his ass kicked, but he's very close.
Yeah. Look,
very close.
I can either help you shove it in your mouth or shove your car out of the space. Pick one.
Blackburn said the driver wouldn't move. Other people started honking and